Hi guys! Maayong gabi. So, 8:30 na dre ano sa New Zealand. So, ang akong dinner for tonight is siomai. Tatlo ka siomai. Tapos, naatay homemade. Tawagan ni homemade chili oil. Chili garlic oil. Yes! I made this. This is a homemade siomai. Kain guys. Kain. Tastes so good. So, for my drinks, guys, I have a kiwi fruit. So, the best kind is siya. The best.